Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of iPhones and uncovering some incredible things your iPhone can do right now. Whether you're a seasoned Apple fan or new to the iPhone family, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started. Number 1 on our list is Shazam. If you use Shazam on your iPhone, you're likely familiar with the control center toggle. Tapping it allows Shazam to identify any music playing around you. Interestingly, Shazam also functions within applications. For instance, if you're watching a TikTok, Instagram Reel, or any online video, you can activate the Shazam toggle to identify the song. For example, while playing a copyright-free song on YouTube, turning on Shazam will recognize the track. This is a handy feature you can use within any app that plays audio. If you are having an iPhone 11 Pro or newer, this is the best feature for you. Next up is using the Measure app. Many people don't realize how powerful it is on the iPhone, especially if you have an iPhone 11 Pro or newer, which includes the LiDAR scanner, the black dot on the back. This sensor makes the Measure app very accurate. When you open the app, it quickly detects surfaces like walls and floors because the sensor shoots out tiny lasers to provide precise measurements. It's a handy tool for quick measurements. Additionally, the app has other features, such as a level to check if surfaces are even. You can place your phone on a desk, for example, and it will turn green if level. Another cool feature is that the Measure app can estimate someone's height. If a person stands in front of a blank background and their entire body is in frame, the app can determine their height, making it a fun party trick to show your friends. Next up is getting Siri to help design your home screen using Siri suggestions. Sometimes, you might not want to manually choose where apps are placed on your home screen because the apps you use can vary based on the time of day and other factors. To utilize Siri suggestions, enter Edit mode on your home screen and click on the widgets icon in the top left. Choose Siri suggestions and select the App Suggestions widget. Adding this widget 3 times to your home screen will make it appear as though you have a normal home screen. But these are actually Siri suggestions. If you press and hold on an app, you'll see that these are not actual apps, but a widget that intelligently suggests different apps without repeating them. This widget learns from your usage patterns. For example, if you recently started using an app more frequently, like a TV app, Siri suggestions will recommend it. Adding the Siri suggestions widget can significantly speed up how quickly you find and access your apps. The next feature to explore is automations, which are often overlooked on the iPhone. Automations can perform tasks automatically without any input from you. They are found in the Shortcuts app. When you open Shortcuts, you'll see your shortcuts and a tab for automations at the bottom. I've set up to automations. When my iPhone's battery falls below 20%, it switches to low power mode, and when the battery goes above 50%, it turns off low power mode. These actions happen automatically without any manual input. To create an automation from scratch, let's set up one to play music automatically when I get into my car. First, click on New Automation and search for Bluetooth. Select when Bluetooth is connected and choose your car's Bluetooth. Set it to run immediately. For the action, choose Music, then select Recently Played. Now, whenever my iPhone connects to my car's Bluetooth, it will automatically start playing music. I recommend exploring the Automations tab in the Shortcuts app to automate various tasks on your iPhone, making it more convenient to use. Next, I want to share some cool keyboard features. I'll use Safari as an example. First, you can access special characters by pressing and holding on each key. For instance, holding the A key reveals several special characters. Another useful feature is the one-handed keyboard, which you can activate by pressing and holding the emoji key. This is particularly handy if you have a large or plus-sized phone, making it easier to type with one hand. Additionally, pressing and holding the spacebar turns the keyboard into a trackpad, allowing you to move the cursor more precisely. While this might not seem useful in Safari, it's incredibly helpful in apps like Notes when dealing with a lot of text. One of my favorite hidden features is what I call slide and release. If you need a special character from the secondary keyboard, you don't have to switch back and forth. Just press and hold the secondary keyboard button, slide to the desired character, and release. This makes it easy to input characters like question marks or exclamation points without disrupting your typing flow. Next up is downloading maps for Apple Maps. Apple recently introduced a feature in their default mapping app that lets you download maps. This is great for saving data and ensuring you have access to maps, even if you go off the grid. To use this feature, open Maps and click on your profile photo in the top right corner. You'll see an option for offline maps. It suggests a map based on your location, and you can also download new maps by searching for a specific area, like Las Vegas. When you select an area, it outlines the region to be downloaded and shows how much space it will take up on your iPhone. You can adjust the size by zooming in or out. Once you've selected the area, click Download and it will start downloading the map. A cool aspect of this feature is its intelligence. For example, before starting a road trip, my iPhone prompted me to download the map because it anticipated potential loss of service. This proactive approach is more advanced than Google Maps, which typically prompts after you begin navigation. So, if you plan on exploring, traveling, or going off the grid, downloading your maps in advance is highly recommended. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing things your iPhone can do right now. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.